Hello, I hope you've had a good week. This week at Clara James, we have um I was asked to put together a workshop over the summer holidays, either preparing for year 10 or year 11. Um, and so I've just been looking at dates that we can run that. There'll be maths foundation one over 3 days, maths higher over 3 days, and English language over 2 days. The maths ones will take 9 hours each, and the English one will be for 6 hours. Um, so that's in total. The maths will be 9 hours in total, 9 hours in total, and 6 hours in total. It will depend very much on the number of people which are an interest as to whether or not I actually run them, and they will take place online. But I've just put the dates in the diary and I will come back with more details on that. We've just written, or I've just written a article for our knowledge centre on can you become a tutor without a teaching qualification? And the answer is yes, but that's now a page on the website, a YouTube post, and a podcast. Trying to think what else we've done. I'm sure there must be more. I've made some they're like motivational cards, if you like. So that's those days when you either can't be bothered to revise and you know you've got to, then they're there as an inspiration for you to carry on. And those days when you're tutoring and you can like think, am I really okay to be doing this? Should I be doing this? Then, and there are days I have quite frequently. Um, there's one for that as well. So the tutoring ones are now on Pinterest to be downloaded. If you want them, let me know and I'll send you the link. The revision ones, I'm still getting the PDFs done. I've just got to get it onto Pinterest. So again, if you want it, then just give me a shout and I'll get it to you. And I think that's probably it. That's all we've done this week. Feels a bit nondescript actually. But have a great week. If you're on Ace Week, enjoy it. And I will, yeah, have a great week. Enjoy this sunshine. Take care.